Life as a young girl in Eswatini can be hard. People are not always ready to hear what I have to say. But I know my voice matters, and so does my future. In my heart, I know I'm like a lioness. When a lioness hunts, she never loses focus, and I won't lose focus on my future. I have so many questions that I'm scared to ask. It's hard to talk to my parents, and I feel judged by the nurses at the clinic. But I've heard about this thing called Girl Champ, a space where I can bring all my questions and know I'm safe.
In the kingdom of Eswatini, young women often find themselves in dangerous relationships where their health and futures are threatened. But here, it's difficult to talk about sex. Project Last Mile introduces Girl Champ. To outsiders, it's a fun fitness club for girls only. To those on the inside, it's where lionesses come to power up. The project began with research that used metaphors and powerful imagery to open up difficult conversations with young women. Working in partnership with Coca-Cola's ad agency, the idea was to connect to young women through an entirely different approach, the way big brands connect to their audiences. Through the school and clinic system, the community and mainstream media, we began telling young girls about Girl Champ.
I am nobody's punching bag. I am a girl champ. What is Girl Champ?
More than a fitness movement, it's a lifestyle!
The team in Eswatini launched 3 events with a single objective. The event is designed as a fun boxercise and fitness program with the purpose of creating a safe, confidential space. Through the metaphor of boxing smart, we speak to women about sexual health and the things they can't speak about. Here, they learn to look after their own futures because empowered women with knowledge and self-worth make very different choices.
Sanibonani, my girls!
Know what you want and how to get it.
Girl Champ works hand in hand with local clinic staff to unlock more trusting and ongoing relationships with young women.
I see my daughters in every one of these girls who walk into the clinics. I get angry. Why are they getting themselves into trouble? Girl Champ helped me to realize that I am a coach. They are not my children, they are my patients. And the way I treat them determines whether or not they come back to the clinic. I am a professional, and their information stays between me and them.
The Ministry of Health in Eswatini has even partnered with Girl Champ.
So we see Project Last Mile helping us and assisting us build the capacity on the broader perspective of targeted interventions.
The first Girl Champ event was attended by over 500 girls. After all 3 events, we were able to touch the lives of more than 2,000 young girls. Since then, many of them have attended their first ever consultations. Girl Champ is just one of Project Last Mile's many initiatives to make healthcare accessible to everyone. The idea is to encourage more public-private partnerships so that work like this can continue building up young lives in the same way the private sector builds brands. The future is female, but she needs to know that hers is worth fighting for. And just like Girl Champ, we need more people in her corner.